Hello, today on Father and Son Adventures, we are going to be putting all the components from the Hypergo H16 BM onto a new chassis because this one broke. I tried repairing it with super glue and baking soda and stuff. It didn't hold for long. So, ordered this, but actually I got sent this about 2 weeks ago when I explained to him what happened with the chassis. So, we're going to rebuild. I'm going to put it all in kind of like a fast forward kind of thing so it's not too long. First things first, take all the components off of here. Make sure you keep all the screws organized. Try and keep everything where it's supposed to go, organized. Left tire, right tire, left tire, right tire. Front, rear, and so on and so forth. Just to make this part easier on yourself. Alright, let's get started. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the next video, because me and Daniel, we're going to go test it out, see how I did fixing it. That was a complete rebuild. Like, subscribe, leave a comment.